Okay, so having just imported random, what we're going to do here is we're going to have the monster position randomized. And how we do that is within the first, where we have the number 1 here, we're going to put random.randint, and we need to put a sort of range from where it can be. And this range is inclusive, so we're going to put the range from anywhere between 0 and the maximum width -1. The reason why we're doing maximum width -1 is because we're starting at 0 and the index is counting, basically, the way it looks is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, the index of an array starts at 0, and so with the max width of 5, there's actually 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so if we do max width -1, it cancels that out and it makes it work fine. And then we need to do the same for the y-axis, so random.randint 0 and then self.max height -1. And now if we refresh this, you'll see that monster is changing position every time we refresh. Now there is a slight issue here in that it won't actually change anything. If there was, say, if the monster was to appear where the trap is, which it could do randomly, then only one of those will actually happen. And what we need to do is we'll need to check for collisions, which we'll do later on within this video. But first of all, if we just copy and paste this over to the rest of the randomizing functions, then what we've got now is these 3 things disappearing and reappearing randomly. So here we got flask, trap, and monster. Here we got trap, flask, and monster. And if I kept doing this, I will get an occasion where 2 of them are randomized at the same point, and it makes it so the game is impossible to play, possibly. Okay, here we go. We've got the trap and we've got the monster, and the flask must be either where the trap is or where the monster is, because it's not in the rest of the board. So that is obviously an issue, and that is something that we're going to fix in a moment.